This is lesson 3, dividing a quantity in a given ratio, and this is question 18. In a class of 24 students, the ratio of girls to boys is 1 to 2. Okay, so if the ratio is 1 to 2, we add up the parts in the ratio, we have 3, and if we divide 24 by 3, we get 8. So that would tell us that there are 8 girls and 16 boys. Now, how many more girls do we need to make the ratio 1 to 1? Well, to make the ratio 1 to 1, we would need 16 to 16, which would simplify to 1 to 1. So that means we would need to increase our girls from 8 to 16. So how many more girls do we need? We need 8 more girls. Alright, part B. If 4 more girls and 5 more boys join the class, what would the new ratio be? Well, at the moment it's 8 to 6. So if we add 4 to each of those, we'll get 8 plus 4 to 16 plus 4, which would be 12 to 20. And if we simplified that, divide them both by 4, we would get 3 to 5. Okay, part C. On one day, the ratio was 3 to 7. How many boys and how many girls were absent? Well, it starts off as being 8 to 16 if they are all here. Now, at the moment, it's 3 to 7. Now, straight away, if I double this ratio, well, I do multiples of this ratio, we'll be able to see how many boys and girls would be present and absent. So let's double it first, and I would get 6 to 14. Now if I times this by 3, I would get 9 to 21. Now straight away, 9 to 21 is no good, because if you add up 9 and 21, that will give us 30. And that's too many students. We only had a maximum of 24. So 6 to 14 works. That would mean there would be 20 in the class. Okay, so if it was 6 to 14, that means there would be 2 girls and 2 boys absent. But there is another solution. What if it was just 3 to 7? Then that would mean there was only 10 in the class that day. Okay, lots of people away. And from that we could say that if we do 8 take away 3, we would have 5 girls absent. And we've had 16 take away 7, 9 boys absent. So there are 2 solutions to this particular question.